Good morning, everyone. Again, it's a lovely, glorious day. Again, I think it's 20th today. So, what I was just up to now, when I marked out the plot for the vegetable, I hadn't got the GPS up and running, so I thought I'd guess it, but I was a bit out. And I hadn't gone quite enough this way, of about half about this end, not much at the other end. So I thought I'd come and sizzle off just another strip so that I've got plenty for the veg plot. So I've just finished that, and then I thought, whilst I've got the machine connected, I'd just go around the grass strips. I've set it a little bit lower. It's really shaving it off nicely now. So I've done the ends, and you can also see how much the other stuff is regrowing. So I harrowed the compost yesterday a couple of times just to spread that out a bit, and all seems to be looking quite tidy. We'll be ready to start cultivating soon, but it's still quite wet after the very wet February here. So whilst I'm just filming, I thought I'd just wander across the ends and show you the what's in the plot, the various plots. This was where the linseed was last year, and so there's a mixture of rye and obviously the volunteer linseed, plus a lot of weeds, as you can see, but a nice amount of growth, which we'll probably chop into the machine again and put that on the compost heap when we're ready, but I'm not quite sure what we're going to put on this yet. Had a few change of plans. So this strip, as I say, is where the linseed was, and then this is where the wheat was last year, and you can see doesn't look quite so healthy. There's a mixture, there's a lot of volunteer wheats in it and some rye, but this didn't have any compost in the autumn either. So just a quick look at the linseed plot. This is the winter linseed. Seems to have come through the winter okay. Looks quite tidy, all things considering. Obviously an awful lot of weeds again, as is the case without any weed killer. So we'll tackle that when we get a chance, but it's way too wet yet to think of going on there, so patience is needed. So I'll leave it at that for today, and hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching.